Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best internet is probably one of the most transformative forces of our time, fundamentally reshaping how we communicate, work, learn, and entertain ourselves, yet in its relentless march forward, it has also quietly, and sometimes not so quietly, eroded aspects of our lives that we once took for granted, leading us to ponder what exactly we've sacrificed on the altar of digital convenience and constant connectivity. Number 5. Incohearent, the Guess the Gibberish party game. Introducing Incohearent, the hilarious party game that's taking social media by storm. Get ready to test your listening and guessing skills with this unique card game. This game has taken the internet by storm, with millions of views online. It's the perfect icebreaker and guaranteed to bring endless laughter to your gatherings. Designed for 3 to 8 players aged 17 and up, it's ideal for game nights, bachelorette parties, or any occasion. Gather your friends for some competitive fun. Simply hold up a card with gibberish and have your friends guess the phrase before time runs out. The first to decode it wins the point. Experience hours of laughter with its tongue-twisting phrases. It's a fantastic gift for friends or a fun addition to any party. This game includes 300 cards with fresh content across 3 categories: party, spicy, and pop culture. Everything you need for a night of fun is right here. What we like. This game is a viral sensation, perfect for anyone who loves a good laugh and a challenge. If you're looking for a party icebreaker or a way to liven up game night with friends, this is it. Its unique gibberish guessing format guarantees hilarious moments and memorable experiences for groups. What people say. The premise of decoding gibberish phrases into understandable sentences seems simple at first, but it's surprisingly challenging and hilarious. The included sand timer adds a thrilling rush to solve the phrases before time runs out, making every round energetic and competitive. With 300 cards included, the game offers high replayability, ensuring you won't run through the entire deck in just 1 or 2 sessions. Number 4. ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit. Introducing the ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit, the most comprehensive package for your Arduino projects. It's fully compatible with the Arduino IDE, making it easy to get started. This kit includes over 200 high-quality components, providing everything you need for a wide range of electronic experiments. You'll find premium parts for all your building needs. Dive into electronics with our extensive PDF tutorial, featuring more than 35 detailed lessons. Learn at your own pace with clear, step-by-step instructions for each project. It comes with an LCD 1602 module and a GY521 sensor module, complete with pin headers. This means no soldering is required, allowing you to focus on learning and creating. Everything is neatly organized in a well-designed package with a clear component list. A special small box is included for storing smaller parts like LEDs and buttons, keeping your workspace tidy. We are dedicated to enhancing your experience. We continuously refine product details and functions based on customer feedback to ensure you have the best possible learning journey. What we like. This is the ultimate kit for aspiring makers and tech enthusiasts. If you're a beginner looking to dive into electronics and programming with Arduino, this comprehensive set with detailed tutorials is your perfect starting point. It offers a hands-on learning experience without the initial frustration of soldering. What people say. The kit comes with a Mega 2560 board and a huge variety of components like sensors, motors, LEDs, and more. Everything was well organized in a plastic case, making it easy to keep things sorted. The step-by-step guides are clear and easy to follow, which is really helpful for beginners. The sample codes work well, and you can tweak them to understand how each component works. All of the components come with an ID card inside of the plastic compartmentalized carrying case. In addition to the Arduino with the Mega 2560 chip, were a host of project items such as LEDs, resistors, motors, jumpers, and a nice assortment of sensors. Number 3. HP Envy Photo 7155 All-in-One Printer. Introducing the HP Envy Photo 7155, an all-in-one photo printer designed to bring your memories to life. It offers seamless wireless printing for your convenience. Experience vibrant and true-to-life photos every time you print. This device ensures your cherished moments are captured with exceptional clarity and color. Print directly from your smartphone, tablet, or computer with its easy-to-use wireless capabilities. No more fumbling with cables, just print what you want, when you want. Never run out of ink again with HP Instant Ink. It's a smart, affordable way to get the ink you need delivered right to your door. Control your printing hands-free. This printer works with Alexa, allowing you to start print jobs with simple voice commands. Beyond photos, it handles all your everyday printing, scanning, and copying needs. It's the perfect versatile companion for your home or office. What we like. For those who need a reliable and convenient printing solution for both photos and documents. If you value ease of use and cost-effectiveness for your printing needs, this device offers seamless wireless connectivity and the benefit of HP's Instant Ink program. It's ideal for home users who want quality prints without the hassle. What people say. This book is a fascinating exploration of the intangible things we've lost in the digital age, from privacy to deep thinking. The author skillfully weaves together historical context, scientific research, and personal anecdotes to illustrate the profound impact of the internet on our lives. It's a thought-provoking read that encourages readers to reflect on their own relationship with technology and the potential consequences of our increasingly online existence. Number 2. Monopoly Deal Card Game. Experience the thrill of the Monopoly game, reimagined as a quick-playing card game perfect for families and kids. It's all the fun you love, in a fraction of the time. Enjoy the fast-dealing property trading excitement of Monopoly, now even faster. This card game can be played in as little as 15 minutes, making it ideal for spontaneous family fun. The goal is simple: be the first to collect 3 complete property sets, each of a different color. It's an exciting strategy card game where quick thinking leads to victory. Turn the tables with powerful action cards. Use them to collect rent, swap properties, or even take money from opponents with cards like, "It's your birthday." This game is a breeze to learn and teach, even for younger players. Handy reference cards are included to help everyone remember their turn and master the game quickly. With quick setup and gameplay, it's a go-to for family game nights. It's also perfect for a fast game before dinner or after school, accommodating 2 to 5 players. Looking for a great game on the go? This portable card game is an excellent choice for travel, suitable for 2 to 5 players ages 8 and up. Take the fun with you anywhere. What we like. This is the perfect game for families and friends seeking quick, engaging fun. If you enjoy strategy and property trading but have limited time, this card game delivers all the Monopoly excitement in a fraction of the time. It's ideal for spontaneous game nights or as a travel companion. What people say. The game is quick playing, usually wraps up in about 15 minutes, so it's perfect when you want a fun game without a long time commitment. The rules are simple enough for kids 8 and up, but still engaging for adults. The compact card format makes it easy to take along on trips, and the cards are sturdy and high quality. Number 1. Our Moments Couples Conversation Starters. Rekindle your connection with meaningful questions and playful dares. These cards are designed to spark laughter and deeper conversations, helping you create unforgettable memories together. Enjoy date night in a completely new way. This game is a surefire way to get the sparks flying and remind you why you fell in love in the first place. It's important to nurture both the mental and emotional aspects of your relationship. Simply asking a question and truly listening can show your partner how much you care. Whether you're on a first date or have been together for years, interact and discover more about each other. Games add joy and relieve stress, which we can all benefit from. Put aside daily worries and focus on the game and your partner. This is your time to share laughter, build empathy, and enjoy each other's company. Take back your lives from the stress of everyday events. This game is for any couple looking to enjoy their time together and reconnect. What we like. This is designed for couples looking to deepen their connection and reignite their relationship. If you're seeking a fun and meaningful way to spend quality time together, whether for date night or just to break the routine, these cards offer prompts for both deep talks and playful moments. It's perfect for partners who want to learn more about each other and foster intimacy. What people say. This stack of cards gave us something fun to do together at home. It stimulated some excellent conversation beyond just the answers to the question on the card. It gave us the chance to spend time focused on each other. The cards spark conversation, and then topics change from that conversation and we can go 20 minutes before we pick up another card. The questions were very relevant to current situations we needed to talk about but didn't know how to bring them up without starting some sort of argument. It was very laid back and fun. I got to know him a little more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.